Hi there. So my name is Adnan, and here I'm going to demo you about an AI workflow I have developed in n8n that actually helps the realtors or the real estate agents to generate real estate listings of the properties. So in case you don't know, n8n is actually a no code or low code automation tool that helps you to connect different apps in a form of workflow and help you to perform the different kind of tasks. So what is it all about? So as a realtors, as you know, they found they are contacted for different kind of properties, sometimes for rent, sometimes for purchase, and writing a compelling real estate listing usually takes times, and repeating the same format for every property, it's not something one actually enjoys. So and it goes worse if you are not a good writer. So oftentimes you come up with a property listing that is not comprehensive and that is not persuasive and that is not helping the target audience to understand what is it talking about. So here, what I have done, I have used uh, n8n to create a workflow that starts with asking for different kinds of information from the user. In that case, the user is the real estate agent, and generates listing description of the listing. So let's start. So in case if you're not aware, this is the built-in form n8n provides. This video has two parts. The first part, I'm using the built-in form to accept the user data and generate a listing, and in the second part of this video, I'm going to integrate the same workflow. Of course, I'm making a bit of changes and integrate it with the web page, your custom web page. So in this case, if you want to integrate the workflow with your existing website or something, so you can do it without any issue. So let's start. So I already have created a sample description. uh, I mean sample data points. So let me use that. Property type is apartment. Location, again, this is I just randomly put from the Zillow website. This is the location. Number of bedrooms, 1, bathroom 1. Key features, here are the key features, and for the young professional. So I have provided all the information that is needed to generate the description, and let's submit it. I'm submitting. It starts working. As you can see, it finally generated an output. This is the output. Elevate your lifestyle. Discover this exceptional 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for the rent. This is the address. Tailored for the modern young professional, this home offers perfect blend of convenience and sophistication. Prepare culinary delights in the sleek modern kitchen. So this has uh, we have used we have leveraged the AI to generate uh, description based on the data we have provided. So here, this is actually have to how actually it works. Now let me tell you a bit about flow. So this is the custom form which I have generated within the n8n. Here actually have sanitized all fields. This is the prompt. So this the prompt, by the way, this is my prompt. Of course you can use your own prompt if you want. So this is my prompt. You are professional real estate description. This is the initial text. Then I'm passing all the information I'm fetching from the form, and then I'm asking to generate asking to do what should be done and what should not be done, and it generates the compelling uh, description. Here I'm using the Gemini. So here it is generating, as you just saw. This is the output it has generated, and I'm using the Gemini. You may use OpenAI, you may use Olama, and at the end this is generating the output. So that was the entire flow. So in the next section, I will be showing how you can use the same workflow to integrate with your own website. Stay tuned. Hi again. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate an n8n workflow with a web page or your existing website and perform the stuff that you are looking for. In the previous part, it was an standalone n8n workflow, and in order to run that, you had to rely on to go on to the n8n and perform the task you are looking for. And by the way, if you have not noticed, this n8n version I'm actually running on my own machine. This is not hosted, so in case you don't know, you can set up n8n on your own server, whether it's on cloud or local, so you don't have to pay the monthly payment to them to perform stuff. Anyway, so here is the form. Before I run, let me show you what is the difference. So this is the webhook. So what a webhook does, like it accepts the information, right? It accepts the information and make it available for the next part. So as you can see, there's a production. If you are away, if you are not new to n8n, you already have worked on it, so you know it provides two kind of URLs: the test URL or the production URL. So for sake of demo, I'm just relying on the test URL. So it is going to accept, it is a post method, it is path, no authentication required, and it is going to accept all information within this workflow. Like whatever the information will be pasted, it will be available here. So let's run it now. I have started it and I'm going to fill this form. Again, I'm going to use some sample data. So location, number of bedrooms of 4, 3. What are the key features? Large backyard, attached garage, newly renovated. Who are the target audience? Family with children. Okay, so this workflow is already started. I mean, this workflow is actually waiting for this information to be available. So I just submit here. It is running, and this information is available here. So as you can see, it is the markdown format, but you can do whatever you want. So you can customize however you want. So but this is just for demo purpose, so I have not made much effort to do it. So this is a listing type, for sale, whatever, and this is a target audience, and it is providing all this information. Okay, let me tell you actually how actually build that form, so that you can learn about it. So this is a simple form. This is a simple Bootstrap form. What I did, I actually making an AJAX call to this URL. So this is a post URL. Whatever the information I'm submitting here, this information is being converted into JSON format and submit whatever the output's current, because it returns a JSON having the field output. So whatever output returns, it converts the line breaks into BR and prints it on the page. So this is actually how it works. You can see how simple it is. So all you need a webhook URL. In my case, it is a web form. In your case, it could be a mobile app. Like for instance, you are making this app in the mobile for iOS and Android. So what all you will be needing, you will be creating a form, accepting all this information. Make sure that you are using the same form fields that you are using within the webhook, and you can submit that form and make an API call to this URL. So you can see how simple it is there, right? So that's it. I hope you would have enjoyed it. I will be providing the both workflow. We will free of cost on my Gumroad link. I will be providing the link into the description of the video. And in case if you want some kind of help, then I'll be providing a pinned comment, and you can schedule a call with me and we can work on something similar. Or if you want my help to come up with some other kind of workflow or any kind of automation work, regardless n8n or not n8n, you can talk to me. So see you, bye.